The following is a written statement, a press release from Hebrews to Negroes, Ron Dalton, Jr. I vehemently deny any allegations made by the Rolling Stones, the ADL, and media that the Holocaust never happened, and that my books and movies make that claim. I respectfully request that everyone take the time to watch my films and read my books, and you will discover that this claim is false. And that my films do not promote terrorism, bigotry, anti-Semitism, or other hateful ideologies. I reject and condemn any forms of prejudice or hatred towards any person regardless of their race, religion, ethnicity, lineage, ancestry, or sex, as well as violence, racism, bullying, discrimination, blackjewpbobia, and the misuse of the term anti-Semitism. The African diaspora that was sent to the Americas and the Caribbean via the Transatlantic Slave Trade are ethnically the Israelites of the Bible, from the lineage of Shem. Therefore, myself and anyone today who is a descendant of Shem's 5 sons cannot be anti-Semitic. As a Shemite, I am against any form of anti-Semitism in America or worldwide. Racism, scapegoating, and non-conforming, as well as unfair tactics that hold communities of color responsible for societal problems, must stop. Kyrie Irving shouldn't receive backlash on a film that I created. This is yet another example of a system that disregards and minimizes the lives of colored people, shows how far from an equitable society we still are. It is our collective duty to create a society where everyone has the same opportunities, irresponsible of their race, religion, ethnicity, or sex. Freedom of speech and freedom of expression should not be seen as an infringement, but unfortunately, based on what we have seen lately in the news, this is a sad reality in America. We definitely have more work to do to fix this. I am dedicated to collaborating with all groups to make it possible for people from all backgrounds to watch the documentary Hebrews to Negroes, Wake Up Black America, just as one might watch the 1977 Roots TV miniseries, which is shown annually every February during Black History Month. The mass media relies on promoting exclusivity, stoking fear, and assigning blame to those that go against their narrative. Everyone should be free to approach their past without worrying that they will be singled out, vilified, and bullied. I implore everyone to take the time to read my books, watch my movie documentaries, then fact-check everything so that we all can have a full understanding of the true history of Black people in the diaspora, which is now being told from a different perspective. Using the study of history, theology, geography, cartography, biology, craniology, odontology, genetics, linguistics, archaeology, anthropology, and more, I provide the evidence to substantiate that the information in my visual and literary work is indeed factual. Hopefully, after all this is done, we can begin to forge a nation founded on our complete history. I pray that we are able to continue to bring people together of all backgrounds to embrace historical events and facts that are not detrimental to the progression of our society as a whole.